Congratulations, you got your Mogorigami, a combination of origami with Mogo movie on the go. Open up the vacuum sealing and carefully take out the contents outside of the package. Now let's make sure that all ingredients are here. The cardboard ingredients are warped inside a A4 banded page with special stickers. Take the cardboard parts out. There should be 4 big cardboard parts and 1 small cardboard part, total 5. The dual side glue stickers are on the A4 format page. LED light illuminator used for the magnifier configuration. There are 2 lenses, the rigid plastic frame that will be needed to keep smartphone in the cardboard, the rubber smartphone lock band, and the handband that will be used for magnifier configuration only. And now we are ready for the challenge to assemble the Mogorigami as a magnifier and the viewer.